Hi, welcome to MRC. I'm Alex, and this evening I'll be flying my UMX Twin Otter with the added LED lights. You can see how to do this yourself in my how-to video. I'll have it linked in the description. And the sun has just set behind the hills. See, on the other side it's already getting pretty dark. Try to taxi it. Differential thrust on this really helps. And there it goes. Okay, yeah, can definitely see it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I know there's lots of people who fly just with the stock lights. That's okay. The only thing is, just those tiny red and green LEDs, I tend to lose orientation. So I'd rather have some more lights, so then I can tell exactly what my plane is doing, which way it's facing, so on. And yeah, I love adding lights to my planes. If you haven't figured that out yet, it's because it gives me more time to fly. It's already getting darker this way. Now, plane without lights, I would have struggled seeing it, especially on a darker background. Trees. Stock lights, yeah. Hats off to Horizon. I love that they do this. They should do this on every plane, big or small, if you ask me. Even if it costs a few dollars more, they probably charge you more than it costs them, so I'm not worried they're losing money on this. Let's do some low passes. I'm gonna hit that pole. I love these lights, they really help. Could have gone with a bit more, especially in the front, but we've just overcomplicated things. It's plenty visible as it is. Would have looked better with more lights in the front. That is what it is. Small touch and go there. Amazing, amazing plane, guys. Car coming. I want to scare him. Go a bit further. This looks amazing with the setting sun. The star or planet there. I don't know if it's Venus, Jupiter, or whatever it is. Okay, I still have about a minute on the timer. Car went by. Let's bring it lower. Honestly, I'm loving this. Maybe you've seen my UMX Turbo Timber. That was my first one that I added lights to. And UMX Timber X, I was really proud of that. Really happy with the way it turned out. And I'm just as happy, if not even more, with this one. Just because it's so relaxing to fly. The Timber X keeps me a bit on edge. Okay, my timer's up. But I just don't want to stop flying it. It's that nice. Only thing is, when it gets dark, it's harder to see all these obstacles. Man, it just looks so good. I'm gonna push the battery just 30 seconds or a minute more. It's just beautiful, guys. Sunset and this plane, perfect combination. And yeah, I've got ideas doing even more UMX and non-UMX planes, turning them into night flyers. If all goes well, hopefully I'll be able to share that with you soon. Okay, I'm already 2 minutes over the timer. Let's not push our luck. Okay, half flaps, and we've got a car coming, so full flaps. Let's take it around again on the flaps. Already 2 minutes 15 over. And the car's still far away. Just don't want to get it too far for me. You know what? I'm just gonna cruise low power. Or maybe not, that car's looks like it's really slow. It's harder to tell at night. It's one of the downsides. Yeah, I'll just let it pass. I want to be sure. Of course, this wouldn't hurt a car, but it's such a cool plane. I don't want to damage it. Oh, come on, drive already. Okay, guys. Full flaps. It's a bit fast, and I think I lost the nose gear. Yep, there it is. But what a great flight. Oh, it's actually just the wheel. Oh. It's one of the back ones. Yeah, good luck finding those wheel holders in this darkness, but that's not a problem. I'll print some. my 3D printer, and I'll have it back in gear in no time. Thanks again for watching, guys. As always, leave some great comments, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.